Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This time I will be making a fully lined crop top. If you would like to make this yourself, the pattern is in the link below, and if you would like to purchase the top itself, then that's in the description as well. Let's jump right in. You want to make sure the grain with the most stretch is placed vertical during cutting the pattern. You want to make sure you have enough stretch around your chest area. If you have a 4-way stretch fabric, you have nothing to worry about, and go ahead and cut the fabric. Cut 2 of the front and 2 of the back. Now line the front pieces right side together and sew the bottom, neck hole, and armhole, leaving the sides and the shoulders open. Now turn it inside out. Do the same with the back 2 pieces, but this time leave them right sides together. Do not turn them inside out. Now you will want to insert the front bodice inside the back piece and line up the shoulder straps and the sides together. I use a safety pin attached to the shoulders and slowly push that until the straps are aligned. This makes it easier to line the garment together. You will be pinning and sewing 4 fabric pieces together, so just be careful and make sure you get it all aligned carefully. Now sew the shoulders and the sides. Now you will make a 1-inch hole in the back using the seam ripper and turn the whole thing inside out. You can finish this by closing this gap by top stitching. And there you have it, you guys, a fully lined crop top. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and let me know how you like this tutorial.